Are you taking the trip? Are you taking the trip? Byron Katie in her workshops, she used to say, when people weren't really going deep, she would go, "Are you taking the trip?" with her hands. And one time I made a comedy skit about her, and I did that. "Are you taking the trip?" And she laughed so hard. And then she never did it again. Like, she saw what she was doing and she changed her behavior. Meditation, like, we can go everywhere. We can go to so many places. Inside, like taking the trip, going deep. I have traveled, literally traveled as a person all over the world. In New Delhi, when I was young, Thailand, lived in Japan for 2 years, all over Europe, the Grand Tetons, Lake Alberta, LiQWYD in Alberta. But nothing beats taking the trip inside. Those few times in my life where meditation goes so deep and you go to another place. My favorite place to do is to go dancing. I was dealing with something difficult one time and I was meditating and my mind just took me to a dance floor in heaven. And I still have that image of that I can go to any time of this light being just dancing on these golden streets. And it's amazing because sometimes that actually helps the body to do that just with the mind, to dance with the mind. So how do you take the trip in meditation? So one thing to be aware of and to look out for is when you meditate, don't be too passive unless that's what you want. If you want to just relax and feel better, yeah, you can just sit there and breathe, play a recording and just do what it says. And it's very, very, kind of passive and relaxing. But the better way to meditate is you use your willpower to go deeper. So you just go deeper and deeper and deeper. And you use visualization, you use all the senses, touch, smell, senses, but you take the trip deeper. And then once you get deep enough, then you use that power of visualization to make the trip. So you're not there, but you're there. So you're deep, and then you decide where you want to go, or you see where it travels, see where the mind travels. Some people don't like to travel. My brother, for example, I'm always telling him, "Come to Europe, come to New York. Let's go on a trip." And he says, "I don't need to go on vacation. I got everything I need right here in Lubbock. Got my truck, got my girls, got my golf. We want to go on vacation? We'll just go on out to Waco." I really admire that. Really, I admire a content person that doesn't want to travel. But if you want to travel, try it out in your living room, in your bedroom, wherever you meditate. Try it out. Keep going deeper and see if you can take a trip and let me know what happens. Have fun taking the trip.